Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Senengeon from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left here, and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with a curve on top for the first one. And then another curve next to it on the right on an angle like this. Now let's close off the bottom of each eye with a curve across. Next, let's color both of the eyes in black. Now top up and let's draw a curve over and around each of the eyes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Underneath the eyes in the center here, let's draw an angled curve. Then let's curve it down and over on the left side. And then a wavy line down to close off the right side. And now let's color the mouth in black as well. Now top out and let's draw another curve around the bottom of the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then from both ends, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then another curve out and down on both sides. Now underneath the left line, let's continue it down and curve it in to the mouth. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a curve down, bringing it out and back in. And now let's hop over on the right and let's draw a curve down under the head. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve up and back down for the other hand. Now top back up on the right side of the head here and let's draw a curve down and over to the right. Then from the end, let's curve it in and back out. And then close off the bottom of the body with a wavy line across. And that's it for Senengeon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!